In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters and effects in GIMP, a tutorial designed especially for beginners. Whether you're new to photo editing or transitioning from another software, this guide will help you experiment with filters and effects to transform your images creatively. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to open GIMP and load the image you want to work with. Simply go to the File menu at the top left corner of the window, click Open, and then navigate to the image file on your computer. Once it's loaded, you'll have your workspace set up and ready to go. Next, you'll want to explore the different filters and effects available in GIMP. To get started, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Filters menu. Clicking on it will open a drop-down list of various options you can use to enhance your image. You'll notice a variety of categories such as blur, distort, artistic, and noise. If you're not familiar with what each effect does, don't worry. We'll go through them one by one. Let's explore some common options. The blur filters can help you soften the edges of an image or create a depth of field effect, which can be particularly useful for portraits. On the other hand, the distort filters offer a playful way to manipulate the geometry of your picture, giving it a surreal look. If you're aiming for a more creative hand-drawn style, the artistic filters add a painted or sketched appearance. And if you feel like going for an edgy, raw feel, the noise filters add texture and a bit of grit to your images. Once you've selected the type of filter you'd like to apply, click on its name to reveal further options under that category. After selecting your desired effect, a new window will pop up with adjustable settings. This is where the magic happens. Take your time to experiment with these settings. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. Each image and effect combination can be adjusted for optimal results. As you tweak the settings, you can preview how the applied effects will alter your image, which is immensely helpful in visualizing the outcome. When you're satisfied with the adjustments, go ahead and hit the Apply button to finalize the effect on your image. Be sure to save your work regularly to avoid losing your progress. You can save your image by clicking on the File menu again and choosing the appropriate save option. And that's it. You've now learned the basics of using filters and effects in GIMP. Feel free to experiment with different combinations and adjustments to find what works best for your photos. With practice, you'll be editing like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.